Cognitive shortcuts, also known as heuristics, are shortcuts that your brain takes to expedite decision making and problem solving. Many times, these shortcuts actually serve us really well. For example, if you need to get 25 copies made and there's a print shop you've always used in the past who's well priced and does a great job, automatically going back to that print shop without researching other options makes sense. That cognitive shortcut is known as familiarity. The print shop worked out well in the past, and it will probably work out well again. Makes sense. On the other hand, sometimes cognitive shortcuts let us down by being a fast path to mediocre outcomes. Once you increase awareness around your brain's preference for cognitive shortcuts, you can choose to pause and be sure you're stretching yourself to consider new possibilities and taking positive risks to get new results.